soon we are monetizing it according to we give the answer card. When the user asks the answer card, then they will book a video call available in other platforms.
Okay, and for work questions, student have to pay.
No, work question you didn't have to pay. If you like the answer which mentor provided, then you can book a call. We only have a call, video call, audio call, and we also have a feature for nearby mentor. Here, user can write their problem and button near mentor. So the problem solver already near in the location.
Yeah.
They can directly move.
It's in the freemium stage.
AI implemented?
Yes, ma'am. AI mentor, no, human mentor.
Okay. You have mentioned about data, right? LinkedIn and बाकी वालों के पास बहुत सारा data रहता है. We provide the perfect answers and perfect data, perfect answer to respective questions. Experience पे. तो mentor answer कर रहा है. What about delays? For example, I am asking the question. मुझे अभी urgently campus में, for example, कोई company आ रही है TCS, I am from ENIT student. मुझे बैठना चाहिए कि नहीं बैठना चाहिए? मैं दूसरे company में भी place हूँ. अगर ये मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ and mentor is not available at that time, then what about?
मैं अभी वो टाइम लैग है थोड़ा कि अगर पहले से अगर वो क्वेश्चन हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म में है, देन वो इंस्टेंट आंसर आएगा प्रोफाइल के अकॉर्डिंग, आपका एक्सपीरियंस जो बैकएंड है उसके अकॉर्डिंग प्रोफाइल आएगा. थ्रेशोल्ड 85 का, अगर उसके परसेंट उसके ऊपर आपकी प्रोफाइल रही, देन वो आपको इंस्टेंट आंसर आएगा. इफ नॉट, देन मेंटर के पास नोटिफिकेशन जाएगा. देन 24 आवर का हमने टाइम लिमिट सेट करा है. अगर 24 आवर मेंटर आंसर नहीं देता है, देन उसकी प्रोफाइल को हम लोअर कर देते हैं एंड दूसरे मेंटर को वो क्वेश्चन.
Why do you think कि ChatGPT, Gemini and LinkedIn पे सही आंसर नहीं मिलता है?
मैं वो बैंक से मिलेगा जो सेम बैकग्राउंड से है, जो सेम रिसोर्स, लाइक if RS is coming from very rich background and he is doing startup, I am coming from poor background and I am doing startup. So there is some sort of difference between me and Aryan.
Okay, do you think such platforms are more mature because their data policies? For example, take an example of Gemini and ChatGPT. कोई भी questions डालो, वो डेटा कहाँ से लेते हैं? इतने सारे लोग यूज कर रहे हैं तो उन्हीं का डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट करके डेटा इंजन से they are giving it to you. So you have to make the correction कि perfect answer तो वो engines भी देती है because they have huge amount of data, right? हमें वो perfection level achieve करना है and I congratulate you, you have launched your product. But time delay and the perfection and the data, if possible, you can have APIs and all integrated of Gemini and all as well to provide the realistic perfect answers.
No, we are already integrated the API. Okay. Mentor only likes a few points. In answer card, mentor don't need to write the whole I am this and you have to. No, mentor don't need this. Mentor just like the keyword. Our AI model, we have just trained the Gemini API class 1.5. So he make a proper answer card with the existing data and with the mentor data.
Why only engineering students? Why not other streams? Because nowadays you can see civil engineers, electromechanical engineers, all wants to go in IT. मतलब that's a generic scenario. What about MBA students?
Currently we have to work on our platform.
It will be in your
yes, everything I have to work.
Students,
like you also going for the higher studies, not in like.
Two suggestions for you guys. I personally love your startup and I would love to promote and connect you guys as well to meet me after the meeting. But two suggestions for you if you want to tap 11, 12 and 12 students होते हैं या उनके parents होते हैं, they need such kind of experience जो ChatGPT और Gemini नहीं दे पाता है. ठीक है, प्लस जो ओवरसीज के लिए जा रहा है ना उसमें भी ये चीजें फील होती है because that time mentorship needed क्योंकि वो बंदा वहाँ रहा होगा UK, US and all. So these two tie-ups मतलब these two category of students अगर तुम tie-up करते हो तो it will go मतलब yes. So please do know. Thank you. Best wishes.